Did you know that there are multiple experts who believe that Tesla stock will double? Investors are currently unsure whether to sell or buy Tesla shares now that the price is below $200. Who continue to be upbeat about the top EV firm stocks. You wouldn't want to miss this one in a tweet on November 16th. In a tweet, Ross Gerber stated that most people completely misunderstand the depth of Tesla's moats, citing the company's three enormous moats: software autonomy, scaled up battery production, and technological advancements. Ross co founded Gerber Kawasaki Wealth and Investment Management and currently serves as its president and CEO. In addition to serving individual clients, Ross manages Gerber Kawasaki's corporate and investment management operations. He has emerged as one of the most prominent investors on social media and in traditional media thanks to his investment advice and ideas, which have made him a regular on Bloomberg Reuters, Global Business News, and many of the most well-liked investment podcasts. Fox Business, Yahoo Finance, CNN, Cheddar TV, and CNBC. He has been on several of the most well-liked podcasts, such as Meet Kevin on Hyperchange TV, The Pumped Podcast, The Dave Portnoy Program, and numerous more to celebrate Moomoo's 10th anniversary. Open an account and deposit any amount. Ross and the Gerber Kawasaki team are in charge of overseeing $2.2 billion in investments as of 1/3/2022. These investments are concentrated on technology, clean energy, transportation, consumer discretionary media, and entertainment companies. The firm receives an additional $10 in cash. Moomoo is an excellent stock trading platform with a variety of innovative, user-friendly capabilities. I believe many of you will find it really beneficial, particularly if you wish to be more actively involved in your investments. For instance, learn when it is appropriate to purchase and sell stocks. In a tweet a few days prior, Gerber wrote, "Tesla under $200 is your holiday gift." The link is in the description below. Jerry Street in response, Gerber tweeted, "Yeah, I liked it below 300, so I love it now. I think it's worth $420. Another user responded that the latter also claimed this when it was $900 pre-split. The CEO of Gerber Kawasaki, who called Tesla the king of EV transition, appears to believe that the company's stock is worth more than twice as much as it is now, with a share price of 183.17. If I were an investor, I would be pleased to have another opportunity with Tesla. In late 2021, Ross Gerber spoke with Yahoo Finance about his repeated prediction that Tesla will have an incredible run in 2022. When you look at what Tesla has done, they've advanced sustainable transportation, he stated. Gerber, even with all of the problems that still beset Tesla, such as Musk's recent purchase of Twitter, Ross Gerber remains a proud supporter of the firm and believes that, given the demand for EVs amid skyrocketing oil prices, they are the answer to inflation. Since Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, revealed in early April that he had acquired a stake in Twitter, the company's shares have fallen by 50%. Sales of Musk's own Tesla shares, which have now totaled $20 billion, have increased pressure on Musk. In addition, a growing number of challenges are confronting Tesla right now, including concerns about demand in China and a regulatory investigation into the company's claims regarding the capabilities of its autopilot driver assistance technology in the United States. Munster, a managing partner at Loop Venture Capital, predicted that Musk will spend more time on Twitter than any other Tesla investor in the next 6 to 12 months, noting that Tesla was a more developed company than in the past and less dependent on Musk directly. It seems that Musk is transferring his business style from Tesla's early days to his current leadership at Twitter, where in 2018 Musk was working through the night and sleeping a few days prior. Musk declared that he had worked through the night at the Twitter headquarters in San Francisco, and that he would continue to work and sleep here until the social media network was restored. More recently, Musk revealed that his workload has increased dramatically as a result of his acquisition of Twitter. "There's too much work for me to do." Once Twitter is on the right track, Musk stated via a video link to a business conference in Indonesia on Monday that he would be working 7 days a week, from dawn to night. In my opinion, it's far simpler to run than SpaceX or Tesla. Musk stated earlier this month at the Barron Investment Conference that he is a self-described nano manager, While Musk's reputation for working long hours during emergencies is well known, his protracted after a drawn-out buyout that he attempted to abandon. Some Tesla investors expressed concerns about his ability to concentrate on his role as CEO of the most valuable automobile company in the world. Consequently, Ross Gerber, a prominent Tesla supporter, stated that Tesla needed to find a deputy for its multitasking CEO. "I think he's finally reached a point where he's really challenging himself," Gerber said. "I think they need to find the right person, and quite frankly, they just don't have to." In a recent Bloomberg segment, CEO Ross Gerber responded to Elon Musk's decision to abandon his plan to take Tesla Incorporated private. He spoke with Bloomberg's Lisa Abramowitz and Carolyn Hyde on Bloomberg Markets. During the interview, Gerber shared that Musk keeping Tesla public was the right decision in mid-October. Barron's believed that Musk needs the kind of executive that he just hasn't had much use for historically at this point. He probably needs a marketing and public relations person according to Gerber, the market is already pricing in a recession at a 2% decrease in earnings, so it's hard to be bullish right now given what the Fed is doing. The U.S. economy is still quite strong, according to Gerber's tweet, and while China and Germany are experiencing recessions, the Fed must manage growth since it is evident that inflation is gradually declining. The impacts of policy take 6 to 12 months to show up in the economy, according to Gerber, so the Fed must wait and observe lest it make a mistake. Things should pick up in November with softer figures and easier comparisons. When will the Fed blink, since they will only bear responsibility if they screw up America? In a recent tweet, Gerber stated that while the Fed is still focusing on summer data analysis and isn't considering winter, the danger is actually clearly towards recession and deflation. In other news, the Tesla board has voiced doubts about Musk's commitment to SpaceX and a number of smaller businesses. Powell and the Fed are fundamentally terrible. In a 2018 email, Tesla board chair Robin Denholm expressed concern about the minimal amount of time Musk was spending at the company. This was confirmed by court documents related to Musk's pay trial. A Tesla shareholder claims the board failed to approve Musk's $56 billion compensation package without requiring his full-time attention. In a 2021 deposition at Tesla's annual meeting in August, Musk addressed a question regarding key man, echoing fellow board member Ira Ehrenpreis's observation during the trial that Musk was compensated for outcomes rather than time spent. But some early investors say they expect Musk to be up for the Twitter challenge. "When you get an entrepreneur that's done all that he's done, we should just be kissing his feet. The guy is awesome," billionaire investor Tim Draper told Reuters. "We do have a very talented team here, so I think Tesla would continue to do very well even if I was kidnapped by aliens or went back to my home planet." The Twitter circus show is gradually beginning to affect Tesla's impeccable EV brand, according to Dan Ives, managing director and senior analyst equity research at Wedbush Securities. He called Twitter and Albatross a distress action and a money pit for Musk, saying Musk has succeeded in crushing Tesla stock, something the bears have been trying to do for years without success. Longtime Tesla bull Daniel Ives stated in a note last week that while Ross Gerber has some reservations about Musk's current situation, he is still upbeat about the company overall. In fact, Gerber tweeted on November 15th, "I love Tesla more than ever." Make sure to subscribe to this channel and look forward to double Tesla stock content.